Hey, I'm Dr. Redden. I'm the team physician for KAGEDMUSCLE, and I'm a sports medicine doctor. And today I'm going to discuss with you some of the advice that I give patients about how to improve their immune system and improve their body's ability to fight infection. The truth is, there are some very simple things you can avoid that are harmful for your immune system. Things like smoking, number one, eating inflammatory foods, having a high stress level, and being obese. Obesity is actually something that negatively impacts your body's ability to fight infection. On the other hand, there are some very simple things you can do to improve your health and boost your immune system. And those things are just equally as simple. Number one, get enough sleep. Maybe that's not as simple for everybody. I know it's one of my challenges is getting enough sleep, but try to get enough sleep. Make sure you exercise daily. Consume the appropriate amount of micro and macronutrients. So the micronutrients are going to be really important to help boost your immune system. Choose protein, carbs, and fats that are not too many, but make sure that they are non-inflammatory foods. You want to try to get as many fruits and vegetables as you can, load up on those, and try to use whole foods as often as you possibly can. Choose foods that don't have artificial flavoring and artificial ingredients and processed foods in general. This is obviously a strange time for all of us dealing with the ramifications of the coronavirus, and it has impacted everyone. It's a good idea if you have questions about COVID-19 to check out the CDC's website, cdc.gov. Their recommendations, along with the points that I've given you today, are going to help protect you to the best of the ability that we can. Obviously, they're going to recommend that you avoid contact with people right now. If you're sick, stay home. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces that get touched often. Clean those surfaces frequently. Stay healthy, stay positive, do your best to eat a healthy diet, and even if your gym closes, don't stop exercising. That's critical. So those are some key points for you, and more to come. Take care.